North American tuners. VIEZU Technologies is coming to the USA, to West Palm Beach in Florida this August. We're going to be running 2 exclusive in-person classroom courses led by myself, Simon White, senior trainer at the Viezu Technical Academy and an EVC-certified trainer. These courses are going to be split into 2 different fuel types, running first of all our gasoline beginner course, ideal for those that are new to the WinOLS software or looking to hone their gasoline tuning skills. And then we're going to be following up with our intermediate to advanced course focusing specifically on heavy diesel. This is plant, construction, agricultural, off-road, mining, big rigs. Basically, if it's got a big diesel engine, is used for commercial purposes, this is the course for you. You can dominate DTC solutions, emission control systems and more with this course, understanding for R&D testing purposes how you can alter these mapping strategies in order to understand the full workings of the ECU depending on the application you're working on. Click the link to register your interest and secure your place on one of these courses now.